What was the original purpose of the chainsaw? What was it invented for?
Pizza?
No.
You can cut pizza with the saw.
Yeah, that's a good. That's not a bad idea.
Is it for sawing chains?
No. Good guess.
Trees.
No, that's what they use for now. But I'll give you a hint. The
Execution.
No, that's also a good guess. They were originally smaller than they are now when we think of chainsaws.
Baby chainsaw.
Baby chainsaw. Oh, you're on the right track there.
Baby?
Wait, for babies?
Yeah.
Baby amputations.
No!
What?
You somehow made it worse. What?
But you said baby.
It's for childbirth.
baby.
Die.
It's for childbirth.
For childbirth.
How is that any better than baby?